Here we have a 1986 Fetters weather wheel that slid into a much older sleeve. It's a 12,000 on 28230. Data's in there, but I don't feel like taking the grill off. This is a Rotorex one, but alright, let's kick it on. You can do the honor.
First I'll do the honors. Cooler. And here is local. Oh wait, never mind. Here we go. The wheel of weather.
Wheel.
The wheel of weather. I'm spinning the wheel.
It is a rotary, so it does take a little bit to build pressure. Feels like
I want a recip swap this. It's just a matter of getting a recip. If I can get a recip for it, I'll recip swap it.
What would you swap it with? Like an AJ or AK?
Whatever I can get.
Whatever's
A recip's a recip.
Yeah. Remember that shit?
Yes.
Alright. Rotorexes in general honestly sound nice.
You're gonna get critiqued for that.
I don't care. Yeah, it's built pressure.
I like the vent though. I like this.
Yeah.
It's a very retro design, the Euro.
Rotorex are not, it's a weather wheel.
It's such a retro looking unit. I like it.
It looks way older than it is. Because the design is way older than it
Classic
is.
F-Edge. Case. Looks like it's probably
Could even be 60s for all I know.
It takes some persuasion to get that back in a good condition, but I can do it whenever I feel like it. It's a matter of getting a recess for it, then we'll talk about it.
Yeah.
I don't know where I'm gonna find one. If anybody out there has a recess, let me know.
Way to find out.
It's like a, what is it?
I think it's like a 12K.
12.
Yeah. You can shut off now. The Rex of Rotor.
The Rotorex Preacher.
Scratcher. But yeah, that'll be it for this one.